Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to prepare wine yeast. First, gather your yeast, a clean container and chlorine-free water. Rehydrating yeast correctly is crucial for a successful fermentation, as it helps the yeast cells become active and robust. This initial step prevents sluggish or stuck fermentations, ensuring your wine develops its best flavors. We will cover the precise temperatures and timing needed for optimal results. Once your water reaches 105 degrees Fahrenheit, gently sprinkle your chosen wine yeast onto the surface. Do not stir it immediately. Allow it to sit for about 15 minutes. This allows the yeast cells to slowly absorb the water and awaken. After this period, you will notice the yeast has formed a creamy layer on top, indicating it is rehydrating properly and becoming active. After rehydration, it's time to acclimate your yeast to the must. Slowly add small amounts of your wine must to the yeast mixture, stirring gently. Do this every 5 minutes, gradually increasing the volume by about 1/4 each time. This step helps prevent temperature shock when the yeast is introduced to the larger batch. Once the yeast mixture's temperature is within 10 degrees Fahrenheit of your main must, you can pitch it in. Remember, consistency in temperature during fermentation is key for optimal flavor development. Always sanitize all your equipment thoroughly to avoid any unwanted microbial contamination, which can ruin your batch. A clean environment is just as important for your home as it is for your wine. For a truly effortless clean, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. You can find a link to this amazing robot and other great deals in the description below. Happy brewing!
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.